Ms. Lin, Ms. Chong, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. I have great pleasure in joining you all in the Food Safety Forum 2021, organized by the GS1 Hong Kong under the theme of the power of innovation for food safety. First of all, I would like to congratulate GS1 Hong Kong for the success in organizing this annual event against all odds. I could imagine the uncertainties that GS1 Hong Kong has to face and the challenges that they have to iron out to launch this year's forum. GS1's drive and determination to get together stakeholders in the food trade at this forum for the purpose of intellectual exchange and experience sharing deserves our unanimous applause. The COVID-19 pandemic that started early last year is one of the biggest public health challenges in recent history. We have all witnessed how it changed our lives in a myriad of ways. Apart from the threat caused by the pandemic to human history, this pandemic has reminded us of the importance of unrestricted flow of information and supply of quality-assured food and essential items. The pandemic drives us to learn and relearn the wide use of information technology to remain connected, to share information, and to gear up physical operation against virtual settings. By and large, people have become more and more accustomed to the new normal, and people are more prepared to stretch their imagination and reach for integration of information technology into essential facets of our living, including food safety. As the theme today suggests, innovation and food safety is related. Indeed, we are now moving into a new era, an era craving for smarter food safety, where innovation becomes a key player. Staying ahead of the curve will be imperative to the food industry, especially when we anticipate more digital and traceable food system. To keep us ahead of this new trend, especially in the light of increasing demand for transparency and traceability of food, we, as the regulator as well as the facilitator, see the importance of making better use of technology to ensure food for sale in Hong Kong is safe and fit for human consumption. We need innovation and scientific support to construct and fortify our food safety system for protection of public health. In a globalized economy with the food chain getting increasingly complex, similar to many other places, Hong Kong attaches great importance to food traceability. Legislation, technology, innovation, and big data analysis provide immense possibility for us to enhance our food monitoring capability and traceability, leading to safe food on the table. To ensure food is fit for human consumption, the Center for Food Safety takes food samples at the import, wholesale, and retail levels for testing under the Food Surveillance Program. This serves as an important gatekeeping in our food importation. In 2019, the Center for Food Safety collected about 66,200 samples under the program for testing, and the overall satisfaction rate was 99.8%. The result is indeed encouraging. To keep up with the technological development of the international arena on the food safety front, the Center for Food Safety is currently enhancing and developing new IT systems to facilitate the trade and further strengthen the safeguard on food safety. As part of the wide-ranged efforts in safeguarding food safety in Hong Kong, we have also been closely monitoring international developments to review local food safety standards and regulatory arrangements on an ongoing basis. To this end, we have launched a 3-month public consultation in mid-December 2020 to collect public views on the proposed amendments to the harmful substances in food regulations. This proposal, under consultation, features enhanced regulation of 3 types of mycotoxins, including aflatoxins, which are strongly associated with liver cancer. The World Health Organization has also set the goal of eliminating industrially produced trans fatty acids in the global food supply by 2023. Many jurisdictions and multinational companies have taken corresponding measures to work towards this global target. In line with these developments, we have proposed the regulation of partially hydrogenated oils, PHOs in short, in this consultation exercise as well. In particular, we propose to prohibit the import of any edible fats and oils containing PHOs and the sale of any food, including edible fats and oils containing PHOs. As our important partners in safeguarding the food safety in Hong Kong, we look forward to the concerted efforts and unfailing support of all in the food trade to uphold the food safety standards and ensure the integrity of Hong Kong's food safety regime. Last but not the least, food safety is an issue that entails tripartite collaboration of the government, the trade, and the public. We count on all stakeholders to involve themselves in making Hong Kong a livable city where people can be free from worries when it comes to consuming food. On that note, ladies and gentlemen, I wish you all a fruitful discussion and exchange this afternoon. Thank you.